looky there. That's cooler than it ran stock, I think. That doesn't make sense, but it's been running for a little while. And Troy, the elevation was the cause of the no circulation. So from the thermostat, it did go straight down underneath the car to the back. Now I have it right now going down the door. Ain't that pretty? And that's all it needed. And of course it goes in this radiator, down, across, over to this radiator, which for the first time is warm, almost hot. And there's the pipe going to the engine, all the way up here, right there. It's warm. It's the coolest part of the system right now, which means I expect the temperature to go up a little bit, which I think it already has. Normal running temperature is between 3/4 and half, so it's rising a little bit. So it's not even at the temperature yet, but no steam, no upset stomach, gurgling and popping, and it's that's what it was. Now, Troy, how do I? Help me! Help! What do I do? Oh, I know what you're thinking. Don't know. All right, thanks, Troy. Okay, it is. It's at the running temperature now, and we got some steamage. Now, remember, see, it's at about the right temperature now. I don't even have the fan hooked up yet, and so this is actually, I'm going to watch the temperature. Hey, this is finally getting warm, so that's a good thing. Okay, it's hot now, so we'll keep an eye on this and see what it does. Yeah, don't want that to happen. So yeah, I'll hook up the fan.